Okay guys, welcome to my new video how to get unlimited real traffic to your affiliate link, to your any affiliate link. You can use this traffic to promote your ClickBank affiliate link. You can use it to promote your CPA offers or any program affiliates. You can use this traffic. Okay, so let's start. Like you know, if you don't have traffic, if you don't get traffic to your website or your affiliate link, you will doesn't get any commission and no sales and no money. Okay, so very important to get traffic, real traffic to your links all the time if you want to get a commission. Okay, so traffic source number one, you can go to Google and type safe traffic rotator. You will get this website like you see, safetrafficrotator.com. This is the top traffic source that you can use to promote your affiliate link or your website. You can rank your website or blog fast on Google. Like I said, you can promote any affiliate link, any website. You can promote your landing page and build your list fast. Okay, like you see here, are you looking for safe, cheap advertising for your website? This is a safe AdSense traffic. Okay, AdSense safety. So you can use it to promote your website. It's okay if you have a AdSense on your website. You can use this traffic to promote your website and to promote anything. Okay, so you can use it to promote your ClickBank affiliate links. You can use it to promote your CPA offers and your blog and your landing pages. Okay, this is very easy. You have to put here your name, your email, your link, and choose this very cheap package. Check this inbox. Okay, very important, and then order now. Okay, so easy to use this website, and you will get unlimited traffic from this top traffic source. Okay, traffic number two is turbo website traffic. You can go to Google and type turbo website traffic.com. You will get this page. Okay, if you click here in the logo, you will get a different product. Okay, let's click one more time and we will get a different product like you see here. Okay, this product is from ClickBank. So how to advertise on this website? You have here in the top advertising.
Okay, wait.
And you will get this page. Okay, I think you already know how to advertise, how to add your link, your name, your email, your site, and choose the package and check this inbox and order. This is fast traffic also. You can promote anything using this traffic source. Okay, so let's go to traffic source number three. Traffic traficcashlist.com. Okay, you will get this website, Trafic Cash List, a guaranteed website. Trafic, of course, you can promote anything here. You can go unlimited website visitors. You will get these packages. This is very cheap. Trafic, like you see here, you can get unlimited website traffic for 1 month. It's only $71. Okay, very cheap and very fast traffic, and of course you can promote anything using this traffic source. Of course, you have here solo ads. You can go solo ads and choose your package. You have your lifetime traffic. Okay, 30,000 visitors, only $18. It's so cheap traffic, guys. Very cheap traffic, and you can use it to promote anything. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please comment below this video. I will be happy to help you using this traffic. I personally using this traffic over 7 years for now, and I am promoting my affiliate links and my landing pages using this traffic source. I will put the links below this video, so if you want to test this traffic, this fantastic traffic, so you can click the links below this video and test this traffic. I want to thank you again for watching this video. Please share this video with your friend and hit like and subscribe, and thank you again, and good luck. Thank you very much.